Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Howe. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi, Super 8 Howe offers pet-friendly accommodations in Howe, 29 miles from Elkhart. Certain units feature a seating area where you can relax. Each room has a private bathroom. There is a business center, dry cleaning services and shops at the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.